ऋषि, लास्ट एपिसोड में हमने स्टैच्यू ऑफ यूनिटी को एक्सप्लोर किया।
हाँ, लाइट एंड साउंड शो तो एकदम जबरदस्त था।
और फ्री बस सर्विस की वजह से घूमना भी कितना इजी हो गया था।
बिना टेंशन के आराम से सब देख पाए।
बिल्कुल, आज का दिन और भी एक्साइटिंग होने वाला है। गार्डन्स, नेचर, वाइल्ड लाइफ, थोड़ा एडवेंचर भी।
सच में, आज केवड़िया का वो साइड देखने मिलने वाला है जो शायद लोग कम बात करते हैं।
तो चलो स्टैच्यू से आगे बढ़ते हैं
और केवड़िया को एक नई नजर से देखते हैं।
Vishwa Van, or the Global Forest, is a lush botanical marvel near the Statue of Unity in Kevadia.
Conceptualized by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, it features plants, herbs, and trees from all 7 continents, symbolizing unity in biodiversity.
Visitors walk through themed zones that reflect the ecological richness of each region, making it both educational and visually stunning.
More than a garden, it's a living tribute to global harmony and the life-sustaining power of forests.
Valley of Flowers, a vibrant garden with over 100 types of flowering plants, perfect for nature walks and photography.
Cactus Garden, a unique botanical space with rare cactus species from around the world, educational and visually striking.
Butterfly Garden, a habitat for colorful butterflies with interactive exhibits, great for kids and nature lovers.
Arogyavan, a wellness-themed garden in Kevadia that showcases medicinal plants and promotes holistic health through nature and Ayurveda.
Unity Glow Garden. This garden is a dazzling nighttime attraction where art meets illumination.
Filled with glowing sculptures, LED installations, and vibrant pathways, it transforms the landscape into a radiant wonderland.
Perfect for evening strolls, it offers a magical experience for families, photographers, and dreamers alike. Sardar Patel Zoological Park. Nestled near the Statue of Unity is a world-class wildlife haven that left us wide-eyed with wonder.
Home to over 170 species from across the globe, including majestic lions, zebras, giraffes, but the real surprise?
The Bird Sanctuary. Lush, open aviary where exotic birds roam freely, fluttering past you like living colors, with vibrant macaws, hornbills, and peacocks gliding overhead.
It felt less like a zoo and more like stepping into a real-life Jurassic Park, minus the dinosaurs, but full of awe.
Dino Trail Park, a thrilling attraction where visitors walk among life-size dinosaur models set in lush greenery. It's like a prehistoric adventure.
Ekta Cruise. It offers a serene ferry ride along the Narmada River with stunning views of the Statue of Unity and surrounding landscapes.
River rafting in Kevadia is an exhilarating adventure set in the scenic Khalwani ecotourism zone.
It's Gujarat's first river rafting experience, blending excitement with eco-conscious travel.
Children Nutritional Park, India's first tech-driven theme park, focused on healthy eating and wellness. Designed around the motto, Sahi Poshan, Desh Roshan.
It blends fun with learning through interactive games and the charming Nutri Train that takes kids on a journey through nutrition-themed stations.
From virtual cooking zones to playful mascots, every corner inspires children to explore the power of good food and smart choices.
नर्मदा की आरती। शाम होते ही केवड़िया में एक अलग ही सुकून छा जाता है। नर्मदा के किनारे आरती शुरू होती है, जहां लोग नदी को मां मानकर श्रद्धा से नमन करते हैं। लोग इस आध्यात्मिक नजारे को नदी के किनारे से देख सकते हैं या फिर नाव पर बैठकर भी। यकीन मानिए, यह अनुभव सच में यादगार होता है।